Hello! How's March 2021 treating you so far? Not too bad for me actually. Oh, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and comment, cause it's free! I had a party last weekend to celebrate my 500 subscriber mark and some 1,000+ watch hours. It was fun all by myself. I bought myself some ice cream and some chips too. Skipped on the booze. Not too wise to drink alone in a party with yourself, you know. With all this isolation and lockdown, I've come to appreciate solitude more than ever. Hence the name Comics on Lockdown. Anyway, today, I'm drawing Hinata Hyuga from the anime Naruto. Yo, is it just me or is it like the normal formula for anime to have dense male characters who totally ignore the pretty chick totally in love with the dude until the very, very last minute? Is that a thing? Well, it's never too late in anime, I guess. All day, every day. Oops, sorry, no spoilers here. Anyway, this is my version of Hinata Hyuga from Naruto. I've said that already. Enjoy.